Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Wekiwa Springs State Park in Florida. This beautiful park is known for its clear springs and lush landscapes. The name Wekiwa comes from the Creek Seminole word for spring of water. The park covers about 7,000 acres and is located near Apopka, just a short drive from Orlando. Each day, around 42 million gallons of clear water flow from Wekiwa Springs into the Wekiwa Springs Run, which then joins with Rock Springs Run to form the Wekiwa River. People have been visiting Wekiwa Springs since the mid-1800s. In the 1890s, a hotel and bathhouse were built near the spring, making it one of Central Florida's first tourist spots. Today, visitors can enjoy many activities here. There are miles of trails for hiking, biking, and horseback riding. The clear, 72-degree water is perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and paddling. Canoes and kayaks are available for rent on site. The park is home to various wildlife, including deer, birds, and even black bears. It's a great place to experience Florida's natural beauty.
Thanks for watching!